Enough with the Mutual of Omaha.
Get him.
We get it.
Get him.
You live in Alaska. You live in Alaska in a town with roads and a Walmart and 2 Starbucks and your own plane and television station in your house. It's not calling the wild over there. My guess is you've never seen a buck ox running across the tundra. Desert Fox, the response to Biden's strong showing was to delegitimize every aspect of that showing, from the moderator to Joe Biden's demeanor, which they proclaimed was especially offensive to one demographically critical voting group.
I thought it was totally over-the-top disrespectful. I mean, just speaking as a woman, I think it was a huge turnoff. And like I said, especially with women. Say that you're in your 60s, you're thinking you'd like to date again. If you want to know exactly how to turn off a woman, watch that debate last night and follow Biden's lead.
Yeah, fellas.
You're a real keeper.
If you're going to court